Your growth comes inside you and is in what you do and how you act. Be aware of your acts and how you act, and be conscious where your life is going when you lead it forward in the moment now. Plant a seed and watch it growing in your loving care. That seed is your life. We have a front garden here in our home. It was like a jungle when we moved here to this farmhouse, to countryside. During these years I have worked there to tame it, to make it a place like a paradise. I have a vision, and I don't want to go against the garden's own energy. It is alive. I like to put my hands to the ground, to the dirt, touch the soil, and let it speak to me. The two apple trees give us apples to the jelly, and the berry bushes, part of the berry bushes we have, to the berry tree. But it gives also more. It gives a lot of energy and a place where to learn the language of it. I made a song lyrics from it. The words just came and they are waiting the right music behind so I can sing it to you. Here they are. We have a front garden here in our farmhouse, full of flowers, berry bushes, plants and 2 apple trees. With goddesses I am creating it as a paradise, a place with golden age energy, as my home and lands around will have to. The plants have their own spirits, and when I work and create, I learn from them and their energy. In silence they speak to me in the language of silence, and I begin to understand without words what they tell. I create the garden to a place to rest, a sacred place where to go and receive. I work there with the sun, I work there with other planets, I work there with the gods, I work there with goddesses. Together we create a paradise. The plants have their own spirits, and when I work and create, I learn from them and their energy. In silence they speak to me in the language of silence, and I begin to understand without words what they tell. So with divine, the golden age has led to my home and is creating a paradise for me and my family. To plant a seed is not just grow up something, what will come from it. It is an inside process of learning. To learn from the plant, to learn the language it speaks, to learn from the nature. So put your hands in the ground wherever you can do it. Listen how it speaks and learn the language of the language of Creator, the Divine. Remember, the garden is you, even if you plant one seed to a pot, to grow inside or outside your living place. The seed is you and your growth. It is same as your life. Thank you.